Regional Minister, Mayor of Accra, Nime and Name, distinguished members of the press, ladies and gentlemen, I present to you our notice on the ban on drumming and noise making for this year 2026. The Ghana Traditional Council hereby informs the general public that as part of the customary rites leading to the celebration of the annual Homowo Festival, there will be a ban on drumming and noise making within the jurisdiction of the Ghana State from Monday, 4th May 2026 to Thursday, 4th May, June 2026. I'll repeat, from Monday, 4th May 2026 to Thursday, 4th June 2026. Please note that as part of Gadangme custom, since Homowo is not celebrated on the same day throughout the Ghana states, the Osu, La, Teshi, Nungwa, Tema, Boom, Pram Pram, and Ningo traditional areas will announce separate bans after the 4th May 2026 for specific periods. So residents within those traditional areas are advised to take note, look out for the dates and comply with those bans. This ban is a sacred tradition observed to maintain peace, solemnity, and spiritual reflection as the Ghana people prepare for Homowo, a festival that commemorates resilience, unity, and thanksgiving for a bountiful harvest. The public is reminded that this customary practice is legally recognized under the 1992 Constitution of Ghana, which upholds and protects Ghanaian customary law and cultural practices. Article 11.3 of the Constitution acknowledges customary law as an essential part of Ghana's legal system, while Article 26.1 guarantees the rights of communities to preserve and practice their cultural heritage. To ensure full compliance, the following measures will be enforced. 1. All worship centers should confine their activities within their church premises. 2. Noise making, including use of microphones, clapping of hands, the use of tambourines, and other musical instruments are prohibited during this period. 3. The positioning of loudspeakers outside the church premises and mosques is banned during this period. 4. Roadside evangelism with megaphones and other loudspeakers should also be totally avoided during this period. 5. Funeral rites and its related activities are also banned during this period to a week after the lifting of the official ban, meaning funerals can take place from Friday, 12th June 2026. A task force working with RESEC and various metropolitan, municipal, and district assemblies has been deployed to collaborate with the Ghana Police Service and the other security agencies to monitor adherence and address any violation and prosecute culprits who fail to comply with the ban.